Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to validate Excel files in Power Automate using Cloud Mersive. This is incredibly useful when you need to automatically check if your Excel files are properly formatted before processing them further. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your Microsoft credentials. This will give you access to all the automation tools and features you need to build your workflow. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the Create option to start building a new flow. This opens up several flow templates you can choose from. For this tutorial, click on Instant Cloud Flow, which allows you to trigger the automation manually whenever you need it. Next, click on Manually Trigger a Flow and then hit the Create button to set up your new automation. Now you'll see your flow canvas where you can add actions. Click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search bar that appears, type Get File Content. This action will let Power Automate retrieve your Excel file from wherever it's stored. For this example, we'll be using SharePoint as our file storage location, so click on Get File Content under SharePoint from the results. Once you've selected that action, you'll need to configure it. First, input your SharePoint site address in the appropriate field. This tells Power Automate where your files are located. Then, in the File Identifier field, click the folder icon to browse your SharePoint directories. Locate the Excel file you want to validate and click on it to select it. This connects your specific file to the automation. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for Cloud Mersive in the search bar. Cloud Mersive is a document processing service that offers various validation tools. When you see Cloud Mersive document conversion appear in the results, click on See More to view all available actions from this connector. Now scroll down through the list of actions until you find Validate a Excel document and click on it. This specific action will check your Excel file for proper formatting and structure, ensuring it meets the standards before any further processing happens. In the Cloud Mersive action, you'll see two fields you need to fill. For the first field, click the thunder icon to open the Dynamic Content menu. From the list, select File Content. This pulls the actual content of the Excel file from your previous SharePoint action. For the second field, go back to your Get File Content action and copy the file identifier. This is the path to your Excel file. Then, return to the Cloud Mersive action and paste this file identifier into the second field. This ensures the validation service knows exactly which file to check. And that's it. Your automation is now ready to run and save. You've successfully set up a flow that retrieves an Excel file from SharePoint and validates it using Cloud Mersive, helping you catch formatting issues before they cause problems in your workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.